minutes is the Great Prize Fan. Welcome back to Mario and Luigi Paper Jam. Alright, we're gonna waste no time here. We're gonna save some more paper toads. If you remember from last episode, we saved some paper toads. So yeah, we're gonna continue doing that. Which is exactly what we're gonna do right now. So yeah. Okay, so this challenge is that we can't let the shy guys or the fly guys spot us while saving the paper toads. Because if a shy guy spots you or fly guy spots you, you will lose. And have to start all over again. So yeah, it's a pretty tricky challenge. Oh, yep. See, like that. Oh, don't rush, do not rush. Do not rush. Rushing will just make it worse. Alright, let's see here. Ooh, your boy's got the maneuver skills. Why can't you toads just run away from them? It ain't that complicated. They're just fly guys. All they have in their hands is binoculars. You can handle them. I mean, seriously though, why can't these toads just fight these fly guys? Oh, that was way too close right there. But seriously though, why can't these toads just fight these fly guys? I mean, I'm sure they're strong enough. I mean, the only thing those fly guys have are binoculars, and they do no damage. They'll be fine. Ooh, boy. Oh, come on. Really? Really? Ah. Okay. You got this, Sam. You got this. Okay. Alright. Oh. Be very, very quiet. I'm trying to save some. Stupid fly guy. Whoa. That was an epic fail right there. I'm gonna try again. We ain't gonna lose to some fly guys right here. I mean, they're just fly guys. I mean, seriously? I mean, I know you have to redo the entire challenge all over again, but still, come on, man. And go. Alright, good. Alright, remember from... Okay, this was my first mistake. Okay, got it. Okay. Alright, and booyah. Alright, let's see. Okay, good. No, God. Come on. Yes, there we go. Just 5 more. Okay, this is gonna be tricky. Phew, that was way too close right there. Phew, only 2 more. Oh my god. This is so nerve-wracking right here. Oh, 1 more. And there's the last one. We got all the paper toads. We saved all of them. Not bad at all. That was a pretty tricky, challenge we did there. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at all those paper toads. Look at all them toads. It's raining paper toads right there. Oh, now it looks like they're gonna build a boat. Let's go find out. That was a terrible line for me. That was a terrible line. I'm sorry. I'm just sorry, okay? What are they all doing back here? I thought I beat them all. You know, I'll just fight them and then I'm gonna go to the boat, okay? That the paper toads made. Because I don't got time dealing with them. Alright, let's just... You know, I think I'm just gonna hold on to this. Because I only have like 7 star points left and I don't want to waste them all. I gotta save them for the boss fight that's coming in a future episode. Shabam and Shabooya! Alright, now we're gonna go to the paper boat that the toads made. Hurry! The sheep is coming! Alright, let's heal first. Let's heal first and maybe buy some... No, that's not the item store. That's the wrong store. Oh, it's... aha, here it is. Oh, wait, never mind. Looks like the boat is finally made. Hey, that looks like, that boat kind of looks like the boat I made in art class with my 2 friends. But yeah, seriously though, that boat really looks like a boat that me and my 2 friends made in art class. You're a bit too late there, my boy Toad. But really, I like how that boat really looks like my boat that I did in art class with my 2 friends I did with. Yep, me and my 2 friends help each other make the boat. So yeah, enough about the boat. We're finally back at Sunbeam Plains, but there's some weird papercraft stuff going on right here. Yep, there's a lot of papercraft stuff. Kenneth must have done his magic to do this. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in part 22.